Greetings to all learners. My name is Naveen Yadav and I am a faculty of physics at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today I am taking the topic electric field and physical significance from the chapter 1 Grade 12th NCERT. Reference book is Fundamental of Physics by Resnick, Halliday and Volcker. Electric field is a vector field around a charged object, such as charge rho. It consists of distribution of vectors, one for each point in the region around the charged object. In principle, we can define the electric field at some point near a charged object, such as point P, as shown in the diagram. In the following ways, we first place a positive charge Q naught, called a test charge, at point P. We then measure the electrostatic force F that acts as a test charge. So, what is a test charge now? A test charge is a charge having magnitude so small that placing it at a point has a negligible effect on the field around the point. Electric field is represented by symbol capital E. So electric field E at a point P due to charged object is defined as E is equals to F divided by Q naught. Thus, the magnitude of electric field at point P is F by Q naught and the direction of electric field is that of the force capital F that act on the positive charge. The SI unit of electric field is Newton per coulomb. Now, as shown in the figure, we represent electric field at point P with a vector whose tail is at P. To define the electric field within a region, we must define it at all the points in that region. We assume that in our defining process, the presence of test charge does not affect the charge distribution on the charged object and thus does not alter the electric field. So the important point here is the direction of electric field. It is the same as that of the force on the positive test charge, directly away from the point charge if Q is positive and towards it if Q is negative. So now electric field due to a point charge. To find the electric field due to a point charge Q at a point at a distance r from the point charge, we put a positive test charge Q naught at that point. From Coulomb's law, the electrostatic force acting on the Q naught is F is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught divided by R square. The direction of force is directly away from the point charge if Q is positive and directly inwards the point charge if Q is negative. So the electric field vector is E is equals to F by Q naught. So substitute the value of F. This is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught divided by R square and then further it is divided by Q naught. So electric field formula is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. As there is nothing special about the point we choose from the Q naught. Now above equation gives the electric field at every point around the point charge. The field for positive charge is shown in the figure and for the negative charge we can also draw. So electric field due to a point charge is in the three-dimensional space around the charge in which its influence can be felt by a unit positive test charge placed at any point in that region. Mathematically, we can write the equation for electric field as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. Now next thing is electric field due to system of charge. We can quickly find the net or resultant electric field due to more than one point charge. If we have placed a positive test charge Q naught near n point charges Q1, Q2, Q3 till Qn, then from the equation of electric field the net force F naught from the point charge n point charges acting on the test charges F naught is equals to F01 plus F02 plus F03 and so on till F0n. Therefore, above equation, if we substitute the value in the equation of electric field, E is equals to F by Q naught, then what we'll get? E is equals to F naught by Q naught plus F01 by Q naught plus F02 by Q naught plus F03 by Q naught until F0n divided by Q naught. Hence, electric field is the total electric field at the point where the test charge is located, and it is E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus En are the individual fields at the individual points. Now, physical significance of electric field. A field is a physical quantity that has a value at every location in space. The word field has a special meaning in mathematical physics. Its value at every location can be scalar or vector. For example, the temperature in a room is a scalar field. At every location in the room, temperature has a value which we could write as T xyz or T xyz if it was changing with the time. The air flows in the room is a vector field. At every location in the room, air flows in a particular direction with a particular speed. So electric field is a vector field. At every location in the space around a charge, electric field has magnitude as well as direction. So students, in this lecture, you have learned about electric field and physical significance of electric field. Students, keep learning, keep shining, stay home, stay healthy. God bless you.